Hey, here's Tobias from the Wow Styler, and today it's about headings, colors, size, and this is the result. And you can get it with this CSS code and with this form example. So let's get started. Create a new form. I click and hold Command on Mac or string strg or Control on PC to get a new tab. Headings. Enter the form example, save, copy, go to a new page, also in a new tab, headings, enter the shortcode, publish. It's also working with any other builder. And then I look here. We have the content already, but this is all taken from your theme and we want to override it. It could fit already, but it's better to manipulate it a bit. Here we have contact from 7styler. Go to custom CSS. So, and grab the CSS code from here. Scroll up and mark it. And add it here. Click on preview. And now we have it here. That's good. When we save, activate style on current form, we have it here. And for me, it's looking good. Also responsive, mobile responsive. And yeah, this will grab more attention to your forms and bring you more pizza orders. See you, Tobias.